Great, we can enjoy the city while we eating.
Okay, here's the menu. I'll be right back.
The spaghetti looks really good. It is. I had it the last time I was here. How is the pizza, Alice? It's good, but I think the pasta is better. What would you recommend? I'd recommend the lasagna. It's excellent. That sounds great. I'll have that.
Okay, would you like an appetizer?
No, lasagna is more than enough for me. I think I will have the lasagna as well.
Right, that's 2 lasagnas. Would you care for an appetizer?
Yes, I'll take the mashed potato.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have water. I'll take a glass of red wine.
Thank you. I'll get the drinks and the appetizers.
Thank you. So, what do you think?